calling all smoking creatures, calling all smoking creatures. The Sad Burritos Club is about to begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey everybody, I have a tablet here that is already very cracked. It's cut in half and it still has light in it. You can't just, it still works and everything, you just can't see it. I just decided to cut it in half. Might as well. So, here we go. It still works! You use something else to do. Oh my god! Somebody else hold it while I punch it or something. Up more. Now I'm gonna hold it while you punch it.
Okay.
Not so hard, I drop it again.
Okay, you're gonna drop it either way. Okay, ready?
Oh crap!
Oh.
Let's scoop back. Sorry. Okay, ready?
Not really.
Wait.
Oh, it's off.
Okay. You ready?
Okay.
Ow.
Hold it.
You're gonna make the camera drop.
Wait. Okay, I'm ready.
Alright. Oh, look, it's actually moving.
Focus.
Okay, let me see
Okay,
it.
that's enough. That's enough.
Oh my god, it's not breaking.
Oh my god.
Let's make a freaking taco.
Taco time. It's not even coming off. There's this little string that's keeping it alive.
Okay, hold on. Let me see. Let me try to do it. Here, somebody hold the camera. Okay, ready? Okay, yeah, okay, ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3! Ow!
Yeah! Alright, I'm gonna... I'm back alive! Oh! Let me see.
Oh! my hand hurts.
I feel glass on my hand! It's breaking. We need to put a blank towel down or something.
The minions towel.
Move down. Just in case we get glass everywhere.
Okay, ready?
We did earlier.
Okay, I know what we can do. Tana,
Okay, hold on.
hold it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold it up with my feet and you push it down in the middle.
Okay. Oh.
Oh!
It's not breaking!
It's because of the string.
Yeah, well, we have to break it in half or something.
Here, got this, look.
Jesus!
Oh, it's still alive!
Let me try.
Other way.
That thing's
Oh my god!
folding.
That looks like a taco now.
Whoa! That's like a freaking... What happened?
That was gonna explode.
What you thought?
I thought it was gonna explode.
Oh, I thought you got electrocuted.
Oh my god, look!
Oh, that's so cool.
Dude.
At least we broke the screen.
This is cool.
Don't touch it. It may electrocute you.
Oh, that's cool.
Get in it. Get a picture of it or something.
Get right there. It looks cool.
It's like
We broke open the thingy. Show them that.
screen.
That's the backlight.
Whoa! That's the real screen.
Oh, what does that feel like?
Did you smell your finger?
Yeah, I want to know if it smells like
yeah,
something.
it feels like it has dust on
This
it.
is weird.
I actually cracked the inside.
So cool.
Okay, I'm gonna take the screen off.
Okay, it's still connected. still connected.
I'm scared.
I feel like it's gonna blow up.
No, it's not gonna blow.
This is our last ending, guys. I'm sorry.
Yeah. This is our tell our mom and tell our parents we love them.
I got the screen off. Look, I'm on television.
That's what's left over. Holy.
There's a screen, and there are like 4 different screens. That's so bright.
Tana act like she got. Oh my god! It's like a flashlight. Hold it up.
I don't want to.
Tana's hold. Don't disconnect the freaking cover back.
This is cool, guys.
Drop it, Tana.
Don't drop it.
No,
You can't-
I dropped it. Screw on top of the other screen.
This
That's
is cool,
so
guys.
bright.
Look, I've already done cracked this too.
It's like heaven.
So bright.
You hear that?
Oh.
It's that type of screen that does like.
That's cool.
Oh, that feels cool.
Keep this.
Yeah. I'm actually keep this one. Oh, wait. Where's the beautiful design go?
You just put it down there. Oh, well that way.
What if you put it back together? Oh wait! Nothing ever happened. It's all fixed now. There's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Gosh, who bought that?
Here, video
5
record.
different screens so far.
Record. Look how bright this is.
Dang, you're so bright. Put it up to your face. Dang.
Oh.
That's extremely bright.
Yeah.
What's the same thing in a phone? Feels greasy or something.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe if y'all.
It feels like.
Maybe there's another screen under it.
Maybe if y'all
No.
Can't record.
ask if.
Don't take this one out. That's so cool.
Yeah, that is. Yeah. And then it will be like.
But it's not turning off.
Yeah, but we can charge it, and that can be our light.
I'm ready.
How do you charge it actually?
Wait, can it charge? Where's the charge?
No. Yes, look!
Here, let's see if it charges.
Okay.
We need a
Well,
charger.
we don't know if it will charge.
Well, we have to wait till it dies.
Well, we don't want to do that.
Okay, that's our video.
Alright, well, if anything else happens, we'll record again. Well, bye!
See y'all